have no motivation, I don't even wanna try. What's after graduating? Work hard, retire and die. I don't wanna live that life, rather drop out than get by, working a mediocre average fucking 9 to 5. And I know it's what my parents want from me, but I don't, so I won't go get that business degree. I'm sorry mom, that I'm a deadbeat, the failure of the family, but I didn't ask to be here, so just leave me alone.
I told you not to go out last night.
My apologies, that I don't wanna be what you want me to be. I'm sorry, I'm not a prodigy, really got good grades, no A's or B's. Yeah, I'm hardy, doctor says I need to get more vitamin D, so I take a supplement 2 times a week. Getting by on a daily basis, but I got a dream so I gotta chase it. Never gonna be who they wanna see, on my left I know I'll be saying that I know it's like
Shut your fucking
he said